They say blue is the color of the sky. Which is true today? They say the sea is blue too. It certainly looks like it from here. But when I hold the water in my hands, it's as clear as glass. I toss it up in the air to make diamonds. What about a blue whale? Is a blue whale blue? I don't know. I never seen a blue whale. But I don't need to crack an egg to know it holds an orange yolk inside. I can't see my blood, but I know it's red. It moves around my body even when I am perfectly still. And when we play, I feel it race faster to keep up. A field of grass looks like a golden ocean. If I built a boat that was light enough, maybe I can sail upon it. Gray clouds, oh, a storm is coming. I could never build a boat light enough to sail on a golden ocean. It's just plain old yellow grass anyway. They say spring means winter's over, but why does it still feel so cold? Oh, could purple mean something new? It's warm at last. I stretch to the sky with my fingers open wide. I sprouted. Standing tall, I angle my green leaves to feel the sun. I think I'll stay quiet and listen to the sounds of the summer. Fall arrives and my leaves slowly turn brown. I drop them one by one and wiggle my toes in the soft pile at my feet. Winter's come again. Now the rest of the world is quiet too. All white, up and down. Sometimes I can't tell the difference between the land and sky. I close my eyes. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Black is the color of my hair. My mother parts it every morning like opening a window. Together we watch the black crows bob and chatter in the field outside. We wonder what they are thinking when they look at us, what they see. Their dark eyes won't tell. They just pull their big bodies into the air. Tiny ink blots on a sea of sky.